This is a crappy unboxing of the Garmin 780 LMT-S. I got Macy helping me out, and so is Petey. We're doing it from my bed because I don't know, whatever, be different. Let's see. Hold on, I'm gonna pull this out. Nothing's really stable. I picked this up with the Pilot. I had the Rand McNally for years, but it died, so I thought I'd try something different. This is ready. This product is ready to use. It's got this magnetic hookup. Now that would be cool. Let's see. Taking it out of plastic. Taking this off. And that's pretty big. So we see reflection. Yeah, my room is Cleveland Browns theme. Let's see, we got some power to this thing. I have no idea how it works. Oh, there it goes. It turned on. Let this thing boot up, see what else we got in this box. That's the magnetic mount. I have no idea how any of this works. We've got cable to plug it in. Looks like USB. Another cable to hook it up to the computer. I will do that. Here's the mount. Oh, okay, so it plugs into there, and the mount's on, but it's also got a plug there. It looks like some kind of SIM card. Huh. Okay, and then we've got our instruction guide. So that just snaps on like that. Oh. Hold on. That just snaps on like that. And whoa! I think we just broke it. Yep, I just broke it. Not really, it just popped out. Huh. So I'll figure that out. There we go. That is some strong. That is not coming off of there. Jeez, all Pete. Ah, that is some strong magnet. Guide and Macy's board. So was Mr. Pete's. That's the unboxing of the Garmin. Well, let's see if I can get the thing to turn on here. Start. Accept. Oh, wow. Trailer configuration. 13.6. I already know that. Huh. Sorry about the light. Okay. So it does not know where I am, but that's as far as we're gonna go. Huh. I don't know the features I have. I'll do a review of it from the road. Talk to you later.